Introduction. Well friends, there will be so many times that the electricity goes and your internet stops. This is really worst when you are in the middle of your office meeting, working from home or your online classes going on. You may be in the middle of a financial transaction and disconnection of Wi-Fi will mean your transaction will fail. Forget all these worries, for we now have a special product made specially for your router called the Router UPS. Let's find out more. The product. The first question that will come to your mind is, why do you need a special router UPS when a normal UPS can do the job? Well, a normal UPS is best if you have some load on it. By design, if the load on a normal UPS is less than 10%, then it will give the power backup of only 5 minutes and then it switches off. So if your router is connected to normal UPS, it will switch off automatically after 5 minutes in absence of load and power. Surely we don't want this. But if you have an inverter in your home, then you don't need a separate UPS for your router because that will do the job. However, if you want a small, compact UPS for your router so that you can get uninterrupted Wi-Fi even in case of power failure, you can go for a router UPS like the one I have here, Coozer 12 volts router UPS. See the packaging of the box, how compact it is. Let's open the box and see what all we get. Inside the box there is Coozer router UPS. It is compact and lightweight, weighing just 180 grams. We have an instruction manual which has instructions and the warranty information. We can register the device for 1-year warranty by scanning this QR code. We also get one male-to-male bridge cable. Then we get 2 male-to-female adapters for use with different routers. The box packing has other information. Like on the side, we can see that this product is designed and manufactured in India by a Bangalore-based company, Coozer Labs. The customer service details and address is also given. On the other side, you can see the input-output requirements is 12 volts and 2 ampere current. So you need to ensure that the router adapter has a 12 volt rating along with the current rating of 2 amperes or less. The Coozer router UPS gives power backup of 3 to 5 hours. On the back of the box are the instructions to connect the UPS. There are also color indicators on the UPS near the on-off switch to indicate the status of the router UPS. We also have the in and out ports on the UPS. It is also mentioned that we need to charge this router UPS for 2 hours before first use using our router adapter. Connecting the UPS. Connecting your Coozer router UPS is pretty simple and straightforward. First, we will remove the power cable from the router and insert it in the in part of the Coozer router UPS. Remember, the power needs to go in the UPS, so the router adapter cable will go in the in port. Now the output needs to give power to the router, so the bridge cable will go from the output of the UPS to the charging port of the router. Here I am using a Huawei Gigabit router from Airtel where the adapter has 12 volt 1 ampere power rating. So my UPS is compatible and I don't require any male to female adapters for the cable. For D-Link routers, refer to the installation guide. Now the router power switch is in the off position. The indicator will show green light indicating that the power is coming to the UPS from the router adapter, but it is not giving any power to the router. As soon as I switch the power switch on, it will show the orange color on the indicator, which means that the power is coming to the UPS and it is in turn supplying power to the router. Now let's switch off the main power of the router adapter and take the plug out. As you can see, the light indicator turns red, which means that the UPS is now supplying power to the router without getting any power from the main power supply. Final words. Friends, in these work from home or study from home times, a power backup for your router is critical for ensuring uninterrupted Wi-Fi. I have 100% power backup, but when power failure occurs, power comes back in less than a minute. However, the router takes 3 to 4 minutes to restore the Wi-Fi connection. In my previous house, my router, printer, TV and other stuff were connected to a normal UPS. So I got around 15 minutes of backup, which was alright. However, in my present setup, only my router needs backup, so I had to go for a router UPS. An advantage here is that this Coozer router UPS is just like a power bank. In my test of Coozer router UPS, I am getting a backup of 3 hours and 10 minutes. You can also use your Coozer UPS for other wireless devices, intercom, cordless, CCTV and set-top box. Coozer router UPS sells for Rs 2,299 online. If you are interested in buying the Coozer router UPS, I will leave a buy link for you in the video description or pinned comment. I would also like to confirm that this video is not sponsored by Coozer Labs or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such useful videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.